Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the latest episode of Azizdrives. Welcome to the Dreamland. Welcome to the 9-second car and the Fast Furious saga and Paul Walker's most favorite car, arguably, the Toyota Supra GZA80. So it's in our car community speech, it's called the Mk4, which means we have the absolute legend. We have the car that is made for dreams and for everyone loving a beautiful JDM car. And especially we have a right-hand drive car, JDM spec from Japan, directly imported to Switzerland. And who lent us the car? SS Performance. And let me tell you something. Every single one of you needs to drive a Supra at least once in life. This is an incredible feeling that I'm going to explain to you in the next couple of minutes and take you through the journey of what a Supra is all about. So, what do we have here? The car comes with a 2JZ-GTE engine, which means it is a twin turbocharged inline 6-cylinder 3-liter with 330 horsepower and 441 Newton meters of torque, driving the rear wheels and 6-speed manual gearbox. What is it with those cars? Well, the power output doesn't sound as much, but let me explain to you one thing. Those engines are capable of easy going over 600-700 horsepower, and if you really push it, you can get 1,000 horsepower from them. They have risen in value incredibly. You could buy this car new back then for 45,000, which is 75,000 in today's money, 30 years later. Everyone is looking at it. You are the star of every car event. You are driving the most insane JDM car ever. This is the legend, and it really blew up with the Fast and Furious saga, of course. This is the car that beat Dominic Toretto, or at least drove the same speed like him. And it's just crazy to think of. It's a Targa, it is twin turbocharged, and it has the most insane sounds that you can get from a car. And of course, you know me, enough talking, let's take it for a drive. Have a listen to that. Oh baby, listen to that. Oh Lord! Okay, let's take it for some cornering. All right, so second gear. It is kind of difficult to drive with the on the right hand car. Whoa, a little bit oversteer. Oh, this is just so beautiful. I feel like I'm driving on a toge. This car just takes you through a complete different emotional side of you. The child comes out and the cornering is fantastic. We have Yokohama tires and a good suspension. Listen to that. After 4,500 it really gets going. It's insane. This is just a brilliant experience. And compared to the new model, this is so much bigger, it's so much wider, it's such a more manly, brutal car. It is very pure, it's not that isolated from the outside. The cockpit is turned to you. You are in charge. Everything, the gear gauges, the temperature gauges, the RPM gauge. You shift through here with this very nice gearbox. You can shift pretty firmly, pretty nice through it. It feels just surreal driving this car. It is such an incredible feeling. It's something that I've never experienced before. All of those nostalgic emotions. You feel like you're sitting in a plane and you're about to take off. Let me accelerate from 0 to 100 to find out how this car accelerates, okay? So original one would go from 0 to 100 in 5.1 seconds. This one is a little bit faster. It has 380 horsepower, but let's be easy and gentle on it, okay? Oh, great launch. That was a quarter mile. It wasn't really, but you get the point. Shifting 3 gears, 9 seconds, and you got the quarter mile, baby. But I'm surprised of the cornering. In 1996, this car came out. Mk4 Supra, just what dreams are made of. This is just a surreal moment, and I'm so thankful I can experience it. I really do feel like a child. I really do. I really do feel like a child. And everyone is turning their heads. It's insane. It's insane. It's turning more heads than an Aventador, man. It's insanity. Such a brilliant experience. Something completely unheard of, man. A little JDM car. I'm absolutely in love with it. Is he going to do something? I don't think so. Let's overtake. Woohoo! No problem with the Supra, baby. This is just what dreams are made of. Those cars are now rising in value. They're about 100K. Imagine. And I do understand why they are so expensive. They are incredible. You need to experience this. Really, it is something completely different. It is just something that you cannot get from today's cars. This was a competitor to so much sports cars back then. Such a fast car, topping out at 250 kph. And the best thing, oh my God, the best thing of them all is just this. You stop here, first gear, sport clutch. Wow. Wow. This is what it is about. This is just what it is about. I was spitting a little bit there. Come on, let's do it, and let's do it one more time. I need to do it one more time. Stopping here. Okay, 0 and oh Lord. Oof, I love it. I love it. It's incredible. It's just incredible. Such an honor, such a beautiful experience. I'm so thankful and glad that this came to be. It is just fantastic. I am in love. And if you want to see how the new car drives, make sure to check that video out. I will put the link in the description. Check out SS Performance. They are the ones lending us this beautiful machine. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one. Goodbye.